As you celebrate your debut, remember how loved and cherished you are. You've grown to be an amazing person. Always be true to yourself and chase your dreams. Here's to many more years of growth, learning, and exploration. Wishing you love, happiness, and success in all your endeavors. May your life be filled with purpose, passion, and joy. Enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday. We love you, Jessie. God bless you.
Wake up, sunshine, new day. Birthday, wishes on the way. Candles, lights, and joy, okay. Time to laugh and play. Gifts and laughter all around. Smiles waiting to be found. Happiness in every sound. Birthday girl, you're crowned. Happy, happy birthday to you. Here's a day that's bright and true. Kicking love for me and you. Singing love, we'll party through. Every second full of cheer. Friends and family standing here, celebrating every year. Birthday magic we revere. Balloons rising to the sky. Birthday dreams will never die. Dancing stars, a twinkling eye. It's your day, so fly so high. Happy, happy birthday to you. Here's a day that's bright and true. Kicking love for me and you. Singing love, we'll party through.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessie!
Ate Jessie, wish you all the best po.
Ingat kayo! Ingat kayo. Happy birthday, Jessie! Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday!
Mag-ingat kayo lagi ni Mami and ni Daddy mo. See you on your vacation here in the Philippines.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! We love you! Say we love you, Ate Jessie! Daddy said.
Happy birthday, Jessie! Hi, Jessie! Happy birthday!
Hi, Jessie! Happy birthday! May 3 wishes kami sa'yo.
So, yung una, sana nakakapag-adjust ka na dyan ng maayos sa Canada. Tapos, sana may friends ka din dyan. Sana masaya ka at sana ma-maintain mo din yung friendships and relationships mo with your loved ones dito sa Pilipinas. Ayun lang.
Yan. Ako naman, since malapit ka na rin mag-college, sana mapili mo yung gusto mo talaga na program na i-pursue. Tapos, yun, sana maging successful ka sa kung ano man yun. Tsaka, sana maging masaya ka rin. At for sure naman mag-excel ka basta masaya ka nun sa ginagawa mo.
Ako, Jessie, una ay appreciate your effort na laging tulungan si mama mo and you are taking care of her. No, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana ay lahat ng dreams mo makamit mo and of course, sana mas maging mapagmahal kang anak sa mama at saka sa papa mo and yun, lagi ka sanang maging happy and healthy, no? Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Love you! Bye!
Hi, Jessie! Bang, bang! Happy 18th birthday! Nagaling ko na yung glasses na to. Happy 18th birthday! Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. 18 ka na. I can't believe it. Parang nung grade 10 lang tayo magkasama. Graduating, moving up na yun. Graduating na tayo. We're going to college. And you're turning 18. Grabe na.
I hope 18 will bring you joy and your dreams and your also responsibilities. Pero I know naman na kaya mo na yan kasi kahit 18 is a big number, I know naman na ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo. And I'll always be on your side kahit ang layo ko, Philippines, Canada. Pero nandito pa rin ako, your one call away friend. Chat me, call me, I'll reply to you always. I love you!
Di ba nagulat ka nandito? Charing. Thank you for your mom for making this happen. She reached out to me and asked if makapag-send ba akong video greeting. And of course, I said yes, because it's for you. So I just want to say happy 18th birthday, my love. You're 18. And I just want to say that I'm with you through it all. I know that I've said this so many times already, but it's true. Kaya I always say it to you. I'm just gonna be here whenever you need me. Hanggang sa magkita tayo. I swear, I hope you're enjoying your day-to-day with your loved ones, and I'm just super duper happy that even if we're miles away from each other, I just know that you are being loved by many kasi alam ko kung gaano ka rin magmahal sa ibang tao, and I know because I'm a walking proof sa pagmamahal mo na binibigay mo. I'm just so very grateful for you, for your existence, for stepping into my life. You've done so much for me, and I hope that I can do the same to you sa mga susunod pang years, months, I don't know, but whenever you need me, just let me know and I'm gonna be there kahit magkaiba tayo ng time zone. Know that I love you very much, as in hanggang sa magkita tayo, I'm gonna love you till the end, and I'm happy that I'm celebrating your birthday with you. I hope that we can celebrate more in the next years. Happy birthday! I love you so much.
Hi Jazzy! It's me, Luna. Happy 18th birthday to you! And I just wish you nothing but the best this life could possibly offer to you. And I hope you know na you deserve all the love and happiness, just like how you bring joy to the people around you and to the people you truly love. I hope you know na you make everyone happy, especially me. Lagi mo kong napapasaya, be. Sana alam mo yun. Yun lang naman. I hope you're having a great time there in Canada, but sana umuwi ka na. Sana umuwi ka na kasi gustuhan na namin makita ni Kai. And I hope we meet together, tayong tatlo ni Kai. Ayun lang naman. Happy birthday, Beba. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yan.
Hi Jessie, Mav, happy birthday. I hope you're having a blast right now. First, I want to say that I'm proud of you. I'm proud of who you've become and will most likely be proud of who you will be. I'm so thankful for your existence because you make everyone around you so happy, and I'm grateful to be one of them. Thank you for being more than just a great friend, but a sister I can always lean on. I'm always here to support you on your journey and through your ups and downs. Know that I will always have your back. Me and Lou will always have your back, even if we're worlds apart. Again, happy 18th birthday. I hope 18 treats you well.
Hello everyone, we are from the group 5. I am Charm. I'm Chloe. And together we are Charmy! So, hi Jessica, today is your birthday and you're officially 18 and ikukulong ka na. Tapos ready ka nang uminom. Ay, sorry. I'm sorry, tapos, ang masasabi ko lang, I wish the wish you wish will wish come true. Oh, so for our
for your happiness and for your dreams to come true, I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy
We miss
birthday.
you. Come home in the Philippines.
Come home, let's go drink and let's go to the
I cannot drink.
Kogyong.
I'm 17.
We will introduce you to the Bulldog station.
I will introduce you to some.
Oh, you're already eating. You will be so yummy and you will be...
She's already yummy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got a yummy.
We miss you. Feel for the musketeer.
Yes, you are here.
Yes, this is Jessica. Come on, let's hug.
Let's hug. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go to the Bembang station. Do you know that?
Yes, it's yummy.
It's yummy. Okay, enjoy! Enjoy American! Ang Canadian! Bye!
Hi, Jessie! Mas kilala ko bilang Mavi, bilang isa sa mga Sandpit friends niya. Happy 18th birthday! Grabe! Hindi ako makapaniwala na 18 ka na. And grabe, tumatanda na rin talaga ako. Gusto ko lang sabihin na miss na kita dito sa Pinas. Kasi one time lang kita nakita ever in my life. And ano pa yon, yung Be The Sun in Bulacan, which is unexpected na nagkita tayo sa pila. And never ko makakalimutan yung moment na yun. Kasi parang, wow, binigyan ako ng universe ng chance na makita ka in person. Kasi yun lang din pala yung one chance na makikita kita in person. Pero, hoping in the future na if ever man na magbakasyon kayo dito, tita, please, magbakasyon kayo. If ever na magbakasyon kayo dito sa Pilipinas, hopefully makapagkita tayo or at least makapaggala. Makapag-bonding. I mean, I'm really looking forward na na makasama ka like kapag mga gala, ganon. Kasi I really love how you vibe with people. And ayun, sad nga lang na nung nalaman ko na lilipat na kayo sa ibang bansa. Pero hopefully you're doing fine there and nakapag-adjust ka well. And now na you're already 18, there will be bigger responsibilities for you in life. Pero don't worry, kapag meron ka namang kailangan na tulong, nandito lang kami. Even nandito kami sa Pinas. Pwede mo kaming lapitan sa iMessage or whatever. Ayun lang. I hope you're enjoying your party and thank you for inviting us na we are there in spirit. Ayun. Happy 18th birthday ulit. I love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Jessie! So, ikaw muna.
Hi, Ninang Jessie! Dalaga ka na 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. From PH to Canada.
Hi, Jessie! Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Dahil dalaga ka na, dapat alam mo na yung mga desisyon mo sa buhay.
What?
Bumukod ka na kay Ma'am Ritzel.
Ayan. Ay, Jessie, sa akin, stay clingy with Mami Ritzel, yan.
Yeah.
So, ayan, happy 18th birthday, tapos sana, mas maging maganda yung future mo dyan sa Canada. And, always maging masunurin kay Mami Ritzel. We miss you. We miss you so much, Mami Ritzel, and also Jessie.
We hope to see you soon.
Daddy Ben.
Yeah. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
See you there.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, Jessie. Wishing you endless love, laughter, and unforgettable memories on your 18th birthday. Take care always. Mwah.
Happy 18th birthday, Jessie! We miss you! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessie. I hope you're enjoying Canada, but I miss you in the Philippines.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessie.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessie.
Woo!
Love you. Miss you.
Love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, my only princess. Mwah, 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 mwah. Love you.